Today we make 60 volt e-bike battery pack, 60 volt 15Ah, using the Dyson cell that harvested from the Dyson portable vacuum cleaner, which is very strong powerful cells. The cell size is 2700 and the holder what we are using, that is for 21700. To correctly put that cell into the holder, I use the surgical tape on the both side of the cell so it can fit nice and clean, and use the insulator, that's very important. Here is our battery. The negative pole is here, the positive here is down. That is total 17 cells in series, starting from here, then is like that, and 6 in parallel, that is 6 pieces in parallel, the cells. On the cell top sometime have leftover nickel strip, so I use my this grinding tool, handy. It's a very good and it can easily clean that one. For eye protection, face protection, I use this my face shield. It's a high voltage battery, so I using my gloves, and I use the simple electrical tape to insulate my two fingers because I don't have the other gloves, so it will work fine. And we will use the tape for insulation on each pack we spot weld. For quality spot welding, I use the Do Create spot welder, which using the super capacitors, perfect for the small battery packs. So the total battery capacity is 15 amp hour, which is equivalent to 954 watt hours, and 60 volt battery pack. We will use the 100 company BMS, which have a built-in active balancer, and this is a smart BMS. That's a new company. Let's try their BMS. Spot welding is complete ready. So this is our 17S battery pack, and here is the smart BMS. Now we will install the BMS. Battery is now insulated ready. Insulation is almost complete. I use the multi-layer using the heat resistance tape and then the battery paper, that is thick insulation, and after that again the tape, and the final will be PVC heat shrink. Because our environment here is moist, most of time rain and moist, so this why need to keep this battery as much as possible dry. So the insulation is very important. Multi-layer insulation is best.